Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be looking at the CAD yen. Right, the CAD yen is a very interesting configuration on the intraday, and I believe that we can actually take advantage of this opportunity. Now, what I have here very quickly is really CAD yen on the 1 hour chart, right? And we see the price has sort of been drifting upwards, and then suddenly there was a huge drop. Okay, if we were to follow this price trend upwards, okay, and draw a trend line. All right, we can see very clearly that this trend line that has held the market quite strongly has been broken. So what we can expect price to do is after having broken a trend line, price could very well come back and retest it, okay, and then go back down, right? This could be one scenario. Okay. Another scenario is if we were to look at market structure over here, we see price making a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. Right, you can expect price to make a lower high before coming back down. Okay, so we can also connect all these highs together with another trend line. Right, and we see that price is actually coming quite close to it. Right, so on the 1 hour, we're seeing a possible intraday short. So let me just zoom into this area very quickly. Okay, and we look at the last movement from this high to this low. Okay, we can use Fibonacci retracement, high to low, open all Fibonacci ratios. All right, and we see that the descending trend line is in line with the 7640. All right, so let me just highlight the 7640. Okay, the 7640 over here, and in close, this 7640 happens to be at the graphical overlap resistance, right? So over anywhere in this zone, right, this can be our sell entry, right? Or we can also actually wait for price to come back up to test the ascending trend line resistance that I drew earlier. However, I'm more confident and a bit more comfortable with this level. All right, and of course, our target, we can definitely play to the last swing low, right? Reason is because, like we say, if price is in a downtrend, it technically should make a lower low. But just to be safe, we can play to the recent low first, right? The graphical level. And of course, where will the stop loss be? A stop loss is always at the level which we know for sure we are wrong, right? So we can actually put our stop loss just above market structure over here, right? And this works out to be at least a nice trade with a risk reward of at least 1:2. Right, and last but not least, okay, we can actually use stochastic, right, as sort of a final nail in the coffin. Okay, 14 is too sensitive. All right, normally I go with Fibonacci numbers like 21 or 34. All right, and we can see that price is coming up to test the resistance level where price also reacted in the past. Right, over here we see that price is slowly reacting, sort of exhausting over here before it finally tanked. So now we're approaching this area again, right? So we can expect to see price tank as well. So that's all the time we have for today. Thanks a lot for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best. Stay safe, trade safe, and I'll catch you guys the next time. Take care.